Here's the shocking truth. AI isn't here to steal your job, your boss is. If you've ever felt uneasy about the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, you're not alone. Last month, my friend Alex, a customer support specialist, confessed he'd been worried about losing his role to a chatbot. He imagined his manager replacing the whole team with automated systems, leaving him scrambling for work. But here's the twist. AI isn't plotting to replace you. It's your boss who decides how and whether to use these tools. And that's the biggest misunderstanding about AI. It's not the technology itself that threatens your career. It's the human decisions behind it. Think of AI as the modern version of email. When email came along, did it destroy office jobs? No. It replaced letters and memos, but bosses used it to speed up communication, demand more efficiency, and sometimes pile on even more work. AI is just the new email. From chatbots in customer service to AI-powered sales assistants, businesses aren't just experimenting anymore. They're automating. Questions that once took 5 minutes to answer now get instant responses. Reports that once took hours are generated in seconds. But here's where it gets controversial. While AI can free up time, it also raises questions about how companies will use those saved hours. Will bosses push for more productivity, or will they outsource tasks to bots? And this is the part most people miss. AI doesn't just change how work is done. It changes who does the work. The real battle isn't between humans and machines. It's between workers and the choices their leaders make. So what's your take? Do you think AI will ultimately replace your job, or will it create new opportunities? Let us know in the comments below, because the future of work is in our hands.